Hi, my name is Ashley. Today I'm sharing how I made these dichroic glass earrings. Using a stencil and a fine point Sharpie, I traced the inner part of the stencil onto the glass. I used a silver metallic Sharpie in this project since the glass already had a black design and using a black permanent marker would be hard to see. I then go ahead and oil up my glass cutter and score a line. I normally cut on the smooth side of a dichroic glass, but in this case, I wanted to make sure I got the design I wanted, so I actually scored on the dichroic side instead of the smooth side. I break apart the glass by using my grozing pliers. I do this process over and over again by scoring on the glass with my glass cutter and then breaking apart the glass using my grozing pliers. I now use my inland grinder to smooth out the edges so they're no longer sharp and safe to wear as jewelry with smooth edges and sides. I continue to grind the glass until both pieces are the desired design and match in size to make earrings. Now it's time to clean the glass with some rubbing alcohol. This helps to take off any permanent marker or marks that's still on the glass as well. Using a ruler, I go ahead and make sure that they're the right size, and I also use this ruler to help decide where the placement is going to be at with the pinch bezel, which is what I'm going to be using for this. Again, since it already has black in the design, I'm still going to use my silver metallic Sharpie to pinpoint where I need to drill the hole for the jewelry. Now it's time to drill holes into the glass. Wearing my safety glasses, I go ahead and get my flat tip diamond bit on a Dremel, a bowl of water with a sponge. I then place the glass onto the sponge and submerge it in the water. I then turn on the Dremel and then start dremeling on that silver mark that I marked with the permanent marker for placement. When you're drilling with the flat tip diamond bit onto glass trying to drill a hole, it's easier to drill sideways at first and then gradually move the Dremel straight up and down. This is in real time and not fast forwarded. I wanted to make sure that you see how long it took for me to actually end up having the drill bit straight up and down, as well as how long it took me to actually drill a hole into this glass. I then go ahead and clean the earrings again with rubbing alcohol. I go ahead and put the pinch bezels onto the earrings. I add on a jump ring and then I go ahead and add on the desired earring hooks. There you have it. This is how I made these dichroic glass earrings. Until next time, stay blissful.